Hi loves, how are ya? Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make this super easy hairstyle that looks so elegant and actually is much easier than you think. We will begin with making a parting, and then we want to select a half of our crown section from one side of the parting like so and tie with it a ponytail, and then you want to repeat these steps on other side as well. Fan it out a little bit, of course, to make it fuller looking, and then you want to make an opening through one of the ponytails and bring the ponytails through the openings from opposite ponytail. I hope that this makes sense. Anyway, you can see what I'm doing here. So we are crisscrossing our ponytail. We bring opposite ponytail through opposite opening. Now I want to grab this section of the ponytails and adding more hair from one side. You want to tie them, creating a ponytail as well. So we'll create again two ponytails like I'm showing. And now we want to loosen it a little bit, open our ponytails, and crisscrossing the ends of the ponytail, you want to tuck her into the opposite opening. And we want to repeat one more time with hair left, so we will divide all our hair into two equal sections, tying them both. And basically we repeat the steps, so we make opening and we crisscross the ends and tuck her into the opposite ponytail. If you want, you can loosen a little bit created loops, and with a remaining hair we want to tie them both together. On last time, make sure to pull your hair only halfway through. I'll have two loops, and then we want to loosen it a little bit, and we'll tuck her into the created bun underneath, of course, and crisscrossing the bobby pins. We want to pin it in place. Of course, again, you can loosen your loops and pin them in place. You want to use some hairspray to fix it, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this crisscross elegant bun. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Also guys, tell me please in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like me more to make. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Bye.